Hey, Todd here. So, I don't know if you're like me, but you have a bunch of these action cameras that I've got throughout the years, upgraded, moved through a bunch of them, and they're great little cameras, and I love using them for different things. The one problem I've always had with these things is the mounting of them, with the two things here, and then you've got to screw this thing on and use this thing and connect it, and it's so time consuming, and I'm always looking for ways to move quicker and get the job done quicker, and just speed of things is always helpful, I think, and the ease of things. So I did a little research and trying to find something better that I could use to say when I'm moving from the suction cup thing here to say the little bendable tripod doohickey, or when you're skiing or riding your bike and you've got this chest thing, just all these little accessories that you want to move the camera to if I'm not using an older one as a second device or something, or on a longer pole. Whoops, there went the screw to that thing. But anyway, the whole mounting system has always kind of irritated me, and especially if you've got gloves on when you're skiing and you want to move this thing from your helmet, and you're not using the little slide-on quick clamps. Even those things, I think you have to. I don't like them very much. I mean, they work, but I'm not a huge fan. So I found this this quick mount system, the Go Quick 2 Basic set from Ulanzi, I believe is how you pronounce it, Ulanzi. And I found it online, and I purchased it the other day. So let's see what you get in the box here. Get it open. I ordered the bigger kit. It was like 13 bucks, $12.99. And it's supposed to be magnetic too as well. So you get your little screw, the mounting device, which looks like it has the magnet right in there. And then this is supposed to be a quarter 20 mount. Yeah, so this goes in here and it magnets in, and then you bayonet mount it on. And there's a little button right here that you can do the release. There's a couple arrows right here when you connect it that you line up the two arrows and it locks in. We'll try that in a minute. And then a couple other mounts that came with it that are for your other devices, like this guy right here. You put this little mount, which is kind of thick, so it fits on there really snug. Yeah, which is good. So that's a good snug fit there. And that guy locks in there. So for my little suction cup thing, which I always keep in my car, this thing just in my glove box or whatever, I always keep this suction thing in the car in case I want to on some road or something, which is always cool. And then this one's quarter 20, which goes right onto this little bendable tripod thing here. And then we'll just mount this guy onto the bottom of the camera here. So do all this screwing together now before you actually go out there. Tighten that down, and then it just bayonet mounts in right here. Just put it in and click. You click the two arrows together right there, and you're good to go. That's on there already. Then it's got a little release button. Click that, twist, and it's off. So it's super quick to go from one mounting system to the next, and then you're in on here. So that is super quick and easy to do that. And then I've got this, I can go from one to the other, or a third one that I can put, onto this chest mount or onto this long pole mount here. And then I'm easily able to jump from one mounting situation to the next without having to do this stupid screw thing. So I think this is like the best system I've found to make this work, and I totally like it. And this one just spins right. Oh, this one's a little bit harder to get off than the other one. Oh, there we go. That comes off nice and easy. Then right back onto here, and you're good to go. So I think this is really, yeah, that one's, and I'm sure these will get a little bit, and you hear a nice little click when that clicks in, will be a nice little system once this one's a little bit tight, but tight is not a bad thing, that it's fitting good, and it's on there really good. So this, I think, is a great little gadget. I mean, it's under 20 bucks, under 15 bucks. It was $13, and I'll put a link below. But this is just a little gadget review that I found. And if you've got a bunch of these little GoPro action camera things, this is a great little thing to have just to speed up your day, make things a little bit easier. It's always nice to make things a little easier and faster when you're out there working or just having fun as well on your bike or skiing, snowboarding, whatever. This little thing is really cool, and I would totally recommend getting this thing. I wasn't paid or anything to do this. I just found this on my research, and I do have a link below that you can click on to get this thing, and that would help the channel if you click on that. I did an affiliate thing with them, so that would be cool just because I really like this thing. And I'm going to go back in and order more of these little adapters just so I've got like 3 or 4 on different devices just to speed things up. So yeah, that's my little tech review, a little gadget review for the week. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.